Claude Code is simple to install whether you want to use it in your terminal, the web, or your IDE. If you're on macOS, Linux, or WSL, use this curl command to install it in one go. If you prefer to use Homebrew, you can also use brew install to install it, but note that this doesn't have auto-update capabilities. For Windows, there's also a couple ways. In PowerShell, use the invoke rest method command. If you're on CMD, you can also use this curl command. We also have a winget command as well if you'd prefer, but just like Homebrew, it won't auto-update. Now go to your project directory and run Claude. You will go through some initial instructions like choosing your color theme and signing in with your Claude account, which could be the Pro, Max, or Enterprise. Or you can use an API key. If your organization has a Claude Enterprise account, be sure to select that option. Whatever directory you decide to run Claude in, it will have access to that directory and all of its subfolders. In Visual Studio Code, open up your extensions panel and search for Claude Code. You will see the extension by Anthropic. Make sure it has the blue check and hit install. After installation, you might need to restart VS Code. After that, you can open up the control palette with Control or Command and Shift and P and search Claude Code. Open a new tab. You can also click on the Claude logo if you see it when a file is open. You can also opt out of the UI and just use the terminal experience directly in your settings file. For JetBrains IDEs, you can install the Claude Code plugin from the JetBrains marketplace. Once you install, restart your IDE. And when you reopen, you'll see the Claude logo. This will open up a pane where you can see the terminal experience. And this will work alongside you. On Claude Desktop, you can also run Claude Code. After you installed Claude Desktop and signed in, you will see a toggle at the top that says Code. The look and feel is similar to Claude Chat side of things, but allows you to work in a specific folder, change permissions, and even work in a cloud environment. On the web, you can access Claude Code by going to claude.ai/code. This works very similar to the desktop app. However, you're restricted to GitHub repositories only. If you want to constantly keep up to date with everything, the terminal is the best bet. Features ship there the fastest. For the most part, you'll have extremely similar experiences with the IDE integrations if you like Claude Code to feel more intertwined with your favorite code editor. Desktop is great for letting Claude run in the background while you run other tasks. Claude Code on the web is a great option if you want to remotely work on a project through a GitHub repository or have multiple sessions work in parallel. However you want to use Claude Code, it's up to you.